a penny, 2 a penny hot cross bun. Hi, I'm Onari, and today I'll be baking and trying hot cross bun for the first time. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up. If you're not new here, welcome back. Just give me a comment below. So while preparing for this video, I found out some interesting stuff about hot cross bun. So it dates back to the 16th century where the Greeks would bake this bun in celebration for the spring festival. The English would adopt this bun. The pagans would worship their goddess called Easter. I hope I'm pronouncing that word right. But if you look at it, you realize that it's very similar to Easter. And that's because that's where they got the name from. The hot cross bun would be served during this time for the celebration of their goddess. It was believed that if hung in a kitchen, it would last a whole year without staling and also protect the house from bad spirits and fire. And in England, it was forbidden to be eaten outside of the Easter season, Christmas, and burial ceremony. So today I want to test it out with the Jamaican Easter Bun to see how close it is and if we stray far away from the original recipe. So in a small bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of warm milk and 14 grams of dry yeast. Then put this aside to let the yeast do its job. In a large bowl, I'm going to crack 2 large eggs. I'm also going to add a 1/3 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, brown sugar that is, a teaspoon of salt, and for the spice, I'm going to add a tablespoon of cinnamon, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. Oh shit, that's too much. Yeah, that's more like it. And last, some fresh nutmeg. Now it's time to add the yeast and milk mixture. To save 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to mix this by hand at first and then move it over to the stand mixer. So the recipe asks for 3 cups of flour, but this is looking too moist. So I might just add some more flour until I get the right texture. Put on the dough hook. So I'm going to mix this and see if I see a change in the texture. I'm going to add an extra cup of flour. See how this comes out. Still not looking right, so I'm going to add the rest of the flour. I'm going to add another cup of flour. Right now I'm losing hope in this bun because it's not even looking like bun. Recipe asks for 3 cups. This is my 5th cup. It's not even looking firm enough. I'm on the 6th cup now, and this will be the last one I'll put in this before I give up. At this point, I will call this video a fail. The recipe asks for 3 cups of flour. This is my 6th cup, and it is not looking like... I'm not getting a firm dough. And I'm not happy. I am not happy. Is this recipe a scam? Not sure, but I'm gonna add 1 more cup of flour, making this the 7th cup, and that'll be more than double the amount of flour they originally asked for. So this is what I'm looking at right now. It's okay enough. It's my first time, so I'm not really sure what kind of dough I'm supposed to get, but this texture is not what I see on the internet. So since I added double the amount of flour that they asked for, I'm going to add some more spice so I don't lose the flavor. So I added some extra yeast, butter, sugar, nutmeg, and cinnamon. I left out the vanilla because I didn't want to add any more liquid to this. I honestly want to throw this out, but I'm stubborn, so I'm not going to. I'm going to use a bench scraper. And And I'm going to put this in the bowl for it to proof. Yes, so I almost forgot to add in the currants and raisins. Yes, I'm going to mix this by hand. I'm going to put this aside and allow it to proof. I wouldn't say double in size, but it gotten bigger. I'm going to put this on the surface. It is really sticky. So the original recipe said I should get 24 buns from this, but I added some more flour, so that I'm not sure. Honestly, I hope I get some good buns from this, despite what happened in the recipe. So that's 12 so far. I think I'll get the other 12 from this. I think I won't get more than 24. Yeah, but it looks good. So now I'm just gonna put this aside for it to proof, and then I'm going to finish with the rest of the dough. So let me see if I can get 12 from this. This is so satisfying. No cap. I will do this the whole day, to be honest. This is the last one. So here I have 8 more, so that makes 12 and 8, that's 20. Yeah, so that's 12, that's 20 buns. So nowadays people use icing to make the crust. I'm going to stick to the tradition and use a flour paste. So I just added a 1/3 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of water. So I won't use a piping bag. Well, I'll just use a plastic bag, so I can just dispose of it easily after. So now I'm just gonna brush it with some egg wash. I think this is a bit too watery. Yeah, so I just added some more flour in the bag. Put this in the oven, then continue with the other 8, and I'll be back when it's all done. Yeah, so our first experiment, not looking bad. Well, it's not looking perfect, to be honest, but hopefully it will look good enough for you to click on this video. So despite what happened, I still got bun. Is it what it's supposed to be like? I'm not sure. The first time I'm trying this. It is soft, very soft. Give it a bite. It is good. It is not like the Jamaican Easter Bun, definitely not. I'm a bit disappointed. I'm not sure if it's because I had high expectations, because they have a children's song based on this. So I'm gonna try this with some cream cheese. But yeah, it's a good bun. Not better than the Jamaican Easter Bun, but I would definitely buy this if I see it in the store. I would give this a... It's very hard to judge this. I don't know if I should judge it as a bun. If I'm judging it based on just being a bun, I would give it a 6.5. Yeah, but if you like today's video, please subscribe, give me that thumbs up and comment below. I definitely reply to your comments. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.